If you enter into a debt agreement, you'll be entering into a legally binding arrangement between you and your unsecured creditors, whereby you have agreed on an amount to pay back without any interest or charges. Once accepted by the majority, your unsecured creditors cannot refuse to comply with it, and you're protected from any further collection action. However, this also means that you have a responsibility to honour your commitment and pay the agreed amount. The legal aspects of your arrangement also bind your agreement administrator. If you default on your debt agreement payments, you have exactly 3 months in which to make up the arrears. If your account is still in arrears after this time, your administrator must then send out a statutory default notice to your creditors. You then have another 3 months, after which time another letter will be sent to your creditors, and so on. Your creditors could then use these defaults to have your agreement terminated. If your debt agreement is terminated, your unsecured debts will be reinstated and you will no longer have protection from your creditors under the Act. Interest and charges will also be reinstated as if the agreement never happened, and the status on your credit file will remain as unfinalised. If your circumstances have drastically changed since entering into the agreement and you can no longer afford the payments, it may be possible to request a variation. This can only be done with good reason though, and it must be accepted by your creditors. It is crucial to ensure that your agreement is affordable before you make any commitments. An ethical debt agreement administrator will offer a full financial assessment before suggesting a repayment plan, and you will only commit to a plan that you'll be able to maintain. Here at the Debt Agreement Advice Centre, we have many years of experience in financial assessments and budgeting, and will only suggest an agreement which has the best chance of being completed successfully. Call us today on 1800 653 485 and book in a free financial assessment.